World Migratory Bird Day. The earth is not a space exclusively for humans. There are many other beautiful living and non-living phenomena in the world. We should acknowledge and respect other life forms as cohabitants of this magnificent planet. Birds, especially migratory birds, have suffered greatly at the hands of human beings in many ways. Hence, the World Migratory Bird Day is an important occasion to think about how humans should create a conducive atmosphere for other life forms. The World Migratory Bird Day is celebrated on the second Saturday of May. It is an UN-sponsored global awareness raising and environmental education campaign focused on migratory birds and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. Scientists have estimated that 1 in 5 of the entire 11,000 bird species is a migratory bird. About 40% of them are said to be in decline. 1 in 8 is threatened with global extinction. The major threats to migratory birds are habitat loss and degradation. Migratory birds are also heavily affected by poisoning. Let us protect our migratory birds. Thank you.